Cellular biology is the study of cells, the basic units of life. Cells are incredibly diverse, ranging from simple, single-celled organisms like bacteria to complex, multicellular organisms like humans. In this explanation, we will cover the basics of cellular biology. Cells are made up of several structures, including a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and a nucleus in eukaryotic cells. The cell membrane is a thin, flexible layer that encloses the cell and separates its internal environment from the external environment. The cytoplasm is the fluid within the cell that contains various organelles, such as mitochondria and ribosomes, that carry out specific functions. The nucleus is the control center of the cell, containing genetic material, DNA, that determines the cell's characteristics and controls its functions. There are two types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells are simpler in structure, lacking a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. They are found in bacteria and archaea. Eukaryotic cells, on the other hand, are more complex and contain a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. They are found in animals, plants, fungi, and protists. Cells carry out a variety of functions, including energy production, protein synthesis, and cell division. Mitochondria are organelles responsible for energy production, while ribosomes are responsible for protein synthesis. The process of cell division allows cells to reproduce and grow, and it involves several stages, including interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. One of the most important aspects of cellular biology is genetics. Genetic information is stored in DNA, which is organized into chromosomes in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. DNA is made up of 4 nucleotide bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine, that pair with each other in specific ways. The sequence of these bases determines the genetic code, which is responsible for an organism's traits and characteristics. Cells communicate with each other through chemical signals. Hormones, for example, are chemical messengers that are produced by one cell and act on another cell to produce a specific response. Cells can also communicate through direct contact, such as when immune cells interact with infected cells to fight off a virus or bacteria. In summary, cellular biology is the study of cells, the basic units of life. Cells are incredibly diverse and carry out a variety of functions, including energy production, protein synthesis, and cell division. Cells communicate with each other through chemical signals, and genetic information is stored in DNA.